this video, we're going to look at a swing CPR swing trading strategy where you want to hold the stocks for maybe 2 to 3 weeks within a month or 2 months. Uh, so this CPR trading strategy will show you stocks which are an upswing, and you can basically take the trade and then wait for the stock to go up, and then exit the stock when it reaches the target. Okay. So we are going to do a scan. So here, okay, let's go here. Now we are on a three consecutive pivot up, right? The three CPRs will be up, and then we are on a weekly intersection. Basically, only we want to look for stocks which are weekly options, and we want to scan on a monthly, right? On a monthly time frame. Okay. So we are basically getting 30 stocks. Okay. So now what we want to do is, let's pick up. So I want to see here, I also have the momentum channel. So I want to look for stocks which are positive momentum channel. Okay. So here this is 2, which means 2 candles are positive. Okay. 3. Let's say BDX. Okay. Let's go to BDX. Let's go to Pepsi. Okay. Sorry, Procter and Gamble, PG. Okay. Go to charts. G. Here you can see that the consecutive 3 CPRs are up and third CPR, right? So what you want to do is you want to take a trade. When you see a candle like this, right, without the lower wick, only have upper wick, right? This is for the uptrending stock. Let's look at one more. Let's do okay, so what we want to do is, let's say we want to filter this more. So add a study, go to license study, buy signal. Okay. Scan. So within this, I'm trying to find out whether which stock has a buy signal. Okay. So let's wait for the results. So I'm getting CBX. Okay. Chart BX. Okay. Chevron Corporation. You can see that if you take the trade here, let's say, for example, let's say here, you're taking a trade here, the stock would have gone up like that. Okay. So you can come out when you see a lower wick like this, you can just come out. Okay. Just want to see, always you want to see a candles with upper wick, only not lower, no lower wick. Okay. So then here, if you see here next month, here it started, and then you can take the trade here, and you can keep on going. And if you see this CPR also is up. So that means the stock is still in uptrend. Okay. Now let's look at the scan, which is basically 3 CPR down. Okay. Okay, now scan this. So here same weekly. So this is going to look for stocks in the downtrend. Okay. Here 117 stocks. Okay. So let's let me show you here. So I want to start with this one. So Virgin Galactic, right? Space. Okay, so now I want to add one more filter. Study, license study, sell signal. Okay. So this will basically further confirm to me which stocks to take the trade on. Okay, so Comcast, Global Star, United Rentals, and let's look at United Rentals, right? URI, short URI. Yes, you can see that the continuously the CPR is going down 3 CPRs. So you want to wait for the CPR to open below, right? With only lower wick like this. Only then you want to take the trade. Okay, now scan again. Scan. Let's look at GS CMC SA. chart CMCSA. Okay. Okay, so here also CPR is continuously going down. So now you don't want to take this trade now. You want to take the trade when you see a candle below the CPR. You want to wait for this candle to come down and then cross the CPR here. Then only you can take the trade. Let's look at one more. So now let's say GSAT. It's very low price stocks. So I think these are the two stocks which are significant here. Okay? Thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe, and comment. If you want this CPR indicator for free, please send us an email. We'll send you the CPR. Okay. So I want to remind you again. So daily CPR, Hekanashi candle, monthly. So daily candles. There's daily chart, uh, monthly CPR, Hekanashi candles. You want to see the settings, studies, it is studies, monthly CPR. Thank you.